Welcome back to the channel, gearheads and luxury car aficionados. Today we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2026 Bentley Continental GT, a car that continues to define the pinnacle of grand touring by blending timeless craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology and blistering performance. From its sculpted silhouette to its sumptuous interior and earth-shattering powertrain options, the 2026 Continental GT embodies everything a modern luxury grand tourer should be, and more. First impressions matter, and the Continental GT delivers them effortlessly. Its front end is dominated by Bentley's signature matrix grille, now more prominent and angular, flanked by a pair of oval LED headlamps with a jewel-cut appearance. The lines flow smoothly from nose to tail, with muscular haunches over the rear wheels giving the car a poised, ready-to-pounce stance. Subtle vents in the front fenders and refined air intakes in the lower bumper hint at the potency underneath the hood. Available in a host of bespoke paint finishes, from classic British racing green to eye-catching diamond red, each Continental GT is a statement of personal style. Under that long bonnet resides a choice of two powerhouse engines. The headline act remains Bentley's revered 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12, now delivering a colossal 650 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. If that feels like overkill, there's also a lighter, more efficient 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 producing 550 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that shifts with near-telepathic precision. Power is sent to all four wheels via an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring trunk-crushing traction whether you're launching from a standstill or carving through winding backroads. Despite its imposing size and staggering output, the 2026 Continental GT handles remarkably well. The chassis incorporates Bentley's latest adaptive chassis system, featuring continuously variable dampers that adjust their firmness in real time to account for road conditions and driving inputs. On the optional touring specification with rear steer technology, the car feels agile and composed, with a surprisingly light steering effort that never sacrifices feedback. Drivers can choose between comfort, Bentayga, off-road capable, sport, and custom modes to tailor the driving dynamics to their mood, whether that's a pampered cruise down the motorway or a spirited canyon road attack. Slip inside the cabin and you're enveloped in a world of handcrafted luxury. The seats are upholstered in the finest full-grain leather and available in dual-tone finishes or with contrast stitch patterns that accentuate their sculpted bolsters. Everywhere your eye lands, you'll find exquisite materials. Real wood veneers book-matched to mirror each other on either side of the center console, metal toggle switches machined from solid aluminum, and a rotating crystal control knob that summons the infotainment display or transforms the dashboard into a purely analog affair, complete with physical dials and gauges. It's Bentley's signature, rotary display, reborn for 2026, toggling between a touchscreen panel, a clock in mother of pearl, or a trio of analog gauges. Technophiles will appreciate the Continental GT's fully digital instrument cluster, a configurable 12.3-inch display that offers multiple themes, mapping data, performance readouts, and even a night vision camera feed. The central infotainment system is anchored by a 10.9-inch high-definition touchscreen with haptic feedback and wireless smartphone integration. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, while wireless charging and multiple USB-C ports ensure all your devices stay powered on the go. Bentley has also introduced an upgraded voice assistant feature that responds to natural language commands, letting you summon navigation routes, adjust cabin climate, or play your favorite playlists without taking your hands off the wheel. Sound is equally important in a grand tourer, and Bentley partnered with Bang & Olufsen to outfit the Continental GT with a bespoke 20-speaker audio system that pumps out 1,920 watts of crystal-clear sound. The optional NAIM for Bentley audio upgrade bumps that up to 2,200 watts, complete with an active bass sound system, a hidden subwoofer that uses the infotainment display to show real-time bass performance indicators. Practicality hasn't been sacrificed in pursuit of luxury and glamour. The Continental GT offers a surprising 424 liters of trunk space, enough room for a weekend's worth of luggage or a golf bag with a set of irons. Rear seat legroom is generous for a two-door coupe, and occupants in the back get heated seats and dedicated air vents for personalized comfort. Bentley even offers a host of bespoke luggage sets designed to fit perfectly in the trunk, crafted from matching hides and finished to the same standards as the car itself.